Hello and welcome. In this course, we'll be learning how we can build GUI apps using the Python programming language. This is the first lecture, and in this lecture, I'll be demonstrating that how, by just writing few lines of code, you can build GUI application in Python. So we start with the import statement. We import the tkinter module, and then we create a variable when equals tkinter.tk. So in the first line, as you can see, we have imported the tkinter module, and in this module we have a class called tk. This class allows us to create a window. So what we are doing is we are using the constructor of this class. That's why we have an open close bracket here to indicate that this is the constructor of that class tk. So this constructor allows us to create a new window, and we are referring to that new window using this variable when. Next, we add a title to our window. So when.title, and within the brackets we provide the title. Let's say hello world. And in the fourth line, we call the main loop. Now, what is the use of the main loop? So as soon as you call the main loop function, the window appears. If you don't call the main loop function, the window won't appear on its own. So the main loop is like an endless loop that waits for any event that may occur to the window or in our GUI. So that's why main loop is important, this function. So let's save our program and check the output. And you can see over here that our window has been created. And if I resize, you will be able to see the complete message in the title bar, hello world. So I hope you found this first lecture useful. I'll be coming up with more videos demonstrating how we can add more features into our window and how we can make some useful apps using the Python programming language. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.